What happens when AI doesn't just assist humans, but replaces them? This isn't a hypothetical question. It already happened. IBM, one of the biggest tech companies in the world, quietly paused hiring for nearly 8,000 jobs. Why? Because they said AI could do them better. No big announcement, no mass layoffs, just silence. And suddenly, those jobs were gone. Let's break it down. In early 2023, IBM's CEO dropped a bombshell. He said the company would stop hiring for roles that AI could automate, mostly in back-office functions like HR, finance, and customer support. Instead of hiring new employees, they'd train AI to do the work. Think about that. These weren't factory jobs. They were office jobs, knowledge jobs, jobs that used to feel safe, but not anymore. According to IBM, over 30% of these roles could be replaced by AI in just a few years. No strikes, no severance, no headlines. AI doesn't complain. It doesn't take vacations, and it never asks for a raise. That's a dream for corporations and a nightmare for workers. And it's not just IBM. Goldman Sachs predicts that up to 300 million jobs could be affected by AI in the next decade. Customer service, accounting, legal, education, even software engineering. No industry is truly safe. So what should you do? Learn how to use the tools, understand how they work, and become the one controlling AI, not the one replaced by it. Because here's the truth. AI won't take your job, but someone using AI will. Subscribe to NextGen AI to stay ahead of the curve. We're not just showing you cool tools. We're helping you future-proof your life. Don't get replaced, get prepared.